Welcome to the channel. Today we will talk about how time analytics has become a key tool for improving operational efficiency and competitiveness in the marketplace. In a business environment where speed is essential, managing time strategically can make the difference between success and stagnation. It highlights how time analytics can optimize processes, reduce costs, and improve customer experience. If you want to learn how to optimize time in your company to increase productivity and gain a competitive advantage, stay until the end of the video. Process optimization and reduction of unproductive tasks allows the following points to be detected. The identification of bottlenecks. Analyzing the time spent on each task helps to identify critical points where processes slow down. For example, an assembly line detected that a specific step was causing delays, and by automating it, efficiency increased by 15%. The main benefit is a better use of resources and higher production with the same effort. Reducing repetitive tasks and automation. Evaluating time spent on repetitive tasks allows you to identify opportunities for automation. For example, a human resources department automated payroll management, reducing errors and freeing up time for strategic tasks. The main benefit can be time savings and reduction of human error. Data-driven decision-making and efficient allocation of resources can be identifying areas for improvement. Analyzing time spent in different departments allows you to identify where to direct investments to maximize impact. For example, one service company adjusted the time its consultants spent on administrative tasks, increasing the time spent with clients by 10%. The main benefit can be improved productivity and customer satisfaction. Improved human resource planning. Analyzing time allows adjusting the workload and ensuring that each team has the necessary resources. Prioritization of strategic activities. Time analysis reveals which activities provide the most strategic value and which can be outsourced. For example, a sales team automated the preparation of reports, allowing more time to be spent on customer prospecting. The main benefits can be a greater focus on value-generating activities and increased profitability. The increase of competitiveness in the market can be due to a reduction in time to market. Optimizing time in product development reduces time to market. For example, an electronics company reduced the development time of new devices by 20%, gaining an advantage over its competitors. The main benefit may be the increased ability to capture market share quickly. Improved customer experience. Analyzing time to customer service enables faster and more efficient service. For example, one bank adjusted its interaction flows with chatbots, improving customer satisfaction by 15%. The main benefit obtained can be greater customer loyalty. Quick adaptation to market changes. Analyzing time allows companies to adjust quickly to market fluctuations. For example, one fashion company adjusted its production according to trends, managing to launch collections faster than its competitors. Time analysis enables companies to optimize processes, make informed decisions, and improve their competitiveness in the marketplace. Adopting a systematic approach to time management can be the differentiating factor that drives your company to success. If you want to implement time analytics strategies in your organization to improve efficiency and competitiveness, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. Together, we will design a plan tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.